Hello, welcome to South Today. I'm Sally Taylor. In tonight's programme, taking vax to the max. 9,000 expected to be vaccinated each week as the largest vaccination centre in Dorset opens its doors.
The vaccination programme is going to save more lives than anything that I've managed to do in my career to date. So I'm incredibly proud and incredibly honoured to be able to do this for the public.
They were queuing before the doors even opened, people eager to get the COVID-19 jab as the Bournemouth International Centre got to work as a large vaccination centre. There are now 3 big hubs serving the south. Epsom Racecourse was the first, and the Sault Activity Centre in Slough, which also opened today. The BIC could be the busiest though. It's aiming for more than 9,000 vaccinations a week, but there's much to do. The whole of Dorset has almost 60,000 people aged 80 or over. Edward Sault is at the BIC for us tonight. And they're still at it there, are they, Ed?
They certainly are, Sally. Yes, this centre will stay open until 8 o'clock this evening, and there's been a steady stream of people since we turned up at lunchtime today. There have been people in their 80s, there have been vulnerable people, and there have been healthcare workers all getting vaccinated. And there's also been a sense of relief and excitement too.
Both well? Yes, thank you.
Nick and Jill from Poole amongst the first to arrive at Dorset's new COVID vaccination centre this afternoon. They're met by Joe, one of the volunteer marshals here.
I wanted to be very much a part of it because obviously I think it's going to go down in history, this whole pandemic, and to feel like I could actually help in a very small way just felt like the right thing to do.
Jill is here as Nick's eyes and ears. He has cancer and has 3 stents. He's also been shielding for well over a year. After a consultation about Nick's medication, it's time to get the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, a moment Nick and the medical staff here have all been waiting for.
The vaccination programme is going to save more lives than anything that I've managed to do in my career to date. So I'm incredibly proud and incredibly honoured to be able to do this for the public.
But there is a plea for people not to just turn up for a vaccine.
It is by appointment, and obviously we want to move forward with the elderly and the most vulnerable groups of patients. Some of these people won't have come outside of their front doors for nearly a year now.
Injection done, and it's time to have a sit down. Jill is now waiting for her letter to have her vaccine, and it can't come soon enough.
Our family live away, so at Christmas they just had to come and sit on the patio for 2 hours, and then they went home.
Been shielding for 18 months because I had stents in my heart before this started. So I'm very pleased to have it.
Today was a day that saw light at the end of a very long tunnel.
It'll be lovely to get out and meet people more.
I have a chronic illness, so I am more vulnerable, so I jumped at the chance to come and get jabbed today.
Because I'm hoping to be able to get out again. I'd like to see my family very much.
I just felt I needed to have it. I'm my age and all that sort of thing, yeah, and I just wanted to have it. And of course, consequently, when I've had the second one, hopefully be able to see my great-grandchildren soon.
This part of the Bournemouth International Centre is normally used as an ice skating rink at this time of year. Tonight, though, it's playing its part centre stage in the fight against COVID-19. Edward Sault, BBC South Today in Bournemouth.